Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply Vignette effect to photos or videos in a CapCut Mobile. So first, of course, you need to add your photos or videos that you want to edit. And to easily add Vignette effect, there are two options. The first thing is you can just go to adjust and here swipe through the options until you find this Vignette option. So just swipe to the right like this and it will automatically add some Vignette effect. So that's the first option. And the second option, here you can just go to the video effect, click on the lens category, and here scroll down until you find Vignette. Okay, this option, and adjust it as you like. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.